Okay, so I unplugged the light from the ceiling outlet, and I'm going to take all these wires off real quick. Beautiful. Alright, so now that I got my voltmeter, I've got to put new batteries in here. These in here real quick. And then we'll give this thing a test. Alright, new batteries are in. We want to set this to the ohm setting. Right there. Now, I want to take one of these, hook it to our white wire, just like that. And then we want to touch each wire and see if we get any movement. Which I'm not seeing anything. Nothing. 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 So that means the ballast is actually good. So now we gotta find out what the problem is. I didn't want to bore any of you people with the fact that I swapped out the bulbs to make sure it wasn't a bulb issue. Now, like, I'm kind of checking out the wiring, and I really haven't seen any damaged wires by any means. The ground is good. All these, see, nothing looks bad here. These are actually brand new bulbs. I just recently put those new bulbs in. So I'm looking along here, and the only thing I don't like is this. It's basically a splice connector. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that off, wire nut it together, throw the ballast back up, see if we get it to work. Here's our old piece. Took my wire cutters, strip the end down, screw that together, give us a new connection just like that. Alright guys, look, I'm going to slam this back into place, get all the wires hooked up. Hey, just remember, the blues go to the blues and the reds go to reds. Okay? You can't confuse them. Yellows go to yellows. It's that simple. Okay? Alright, we're back hooked up here. Up there. These two bulbs I know are new for sure. All the lines are hooked back up. We're all ready to go. I go here. I'm gonna get this bad boy plugged in. Like this. Give me a sec. Alright, we're plugged in there. Alright, I put the other two bulbs in here and there. We're all hooked back up. That's where I didn't like that connection there. So let's go hit the switch, see what we come up with. Dude, I so hope it works. Sweet. It worked. Alright, well, I gotta tuck these wires back in and put that cover plate back in, but I hope this helped you guys out how to troubleshoot your fluorescent light. So we learned how to actually test a ballast, and found out that wasn't the problem. It wasn't bulbs, because I swapped them out with other bulbs, and that wasn't the problem. It was this connection right here. You know, the connection might have been good enough when they initially did it, and then who knows, maybe just got too hot and lost connection. I'm not sure. Alright guys, be safe. Always turn the power off when you work with electricity. See ya.